Looking for a truck that's big on power, style, and peace of mind? At Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, Canada's huggable car dealer, our 2024 Silverado 1500 Custom Crew Cab 4x4 is made for the bold. Whether it's work, play, or both, this powerful pickup is your ultimate partner on every adventure. Under the hood, our 2.7-liter TurboMax engine brings serious muscle, while its 4x4 capability laughs in the face of Fredericton's toughest weather. The upgraded 20-inch gloss black alloys add a bold look, and side steps make hopping in as easy as pie. Need comfort on the go? Enjoy a power driver seat and remote start, all crafted for your convenience. We got your back too. With a factory warranty plus our exclusive 12-month Huggable Guarantee, this Silverado is all about confidence. Plus, we've gone the extra mile by including a CatStrap catalytic converter theft deterrent system at no extra cost. Hop in for just $191 weekly with $0 down. Call us now to book your test drive, spin to win free gas, and join the most huggable dealership family around.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel. We'll give you a hug